Okay.
Karibuni sana. Welcome to the yeah? We're here. Doing what we do, what we enjoy. Fitness kidogo. Get active. You know you're spending a lot of time in the house, so find some time. It's funny how you can see I have my shoe bag. Also need. If somebody shows up, namkaribisha. That's your cue to invite whoever you're inviting. Your brother, your sister, your mother, your uncle. Invite everyone, yeah? So, karibuni. Tutaanza tu pole pole. Get some space. Hey, tap on the spot. Tap on the spot. Get space lightly too. Lightly too. Remember to smile. Remember to smile. You're helping your body. You're being nice to yourself. Then you go one step ahead. Back. Mbele tena. Hey. Remember to smile, guys. Yeah? Get those feet off the ground. Usisumbue jirani wa chini sana. Kumbuka pia naye muite. You work out together. I'll go to the side. Let's go. Pull. This is you. Unafungua tu mwili. Pole pole. As you warm up. I know. Haya, faster. Lower. Tena juu tena. Chini. Haya, slow. Tag. Tena. Chini. Haya, we tap. Remember, get your feet off the ground. Na hata mwili yangu imefunguka. Twende mbele. Hey. Lift those knees. Haya, sawa. Tuko karibu kwenda kwa mat. Remember to smile, man. Hey. Hello, hello. Aya. So now, today we are having a chilled workout. Hatutaruka sana, tutafanya mambo mingi. But today I want us to work on the hands. So, depending on you, if your music is banging like mine, as long as your hands are in this position, yeah, try and get them in a 90-degree. It won't be perfect because our bodies are not built like that, but you get the idea. So while you're in this position, I need you to squeeze forward. Rudisha. Squeeze. It's like you're trying to squeeze. It's like you have a sponge. You're trying to squeeze it to get at least water out or something. Unarudisha. Tena. That's 3. After the illustration na hesabu. So we're going for 10. We're at 4. Yeah. This is what it looks like from the side. Notice that my knees are slightly bent. That's 6. Sawa. Continue. 3 more. And that's the last one. That wasn't so hard. That wasn't so hard. At least you work your hands. Bingo. Ziende. Mikono zifunguke. Because when you push, your resistance, it helps your body, yeah? At least it helps to tone your body. Kama ujaanza wa chuma. So you just see. You open, close. Because it's like you're trying to close something and it's resisting, it's pushing you away. So this is what you're doing. Una skuma. If you were to do one hand, that would be it. That would be it. Alright? Make sure to breathe. Alright? Sindio? Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Again, still, the hands. Today we're trying to work these hands. It's almost that season. Ibadi kisha, we'll be wearing boots and short sleeves and vests. So here we are. Our hands as straight as can be. Again now, we're pushing down. Sawa? So unasukuma chini. It's like you're trying to push something into the ground. You're flapping your wings ish. Yeah? So let's go. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what it looks like. 8, 9, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax kidogo. I know it burns, I know it burns, I know it burns, but that's the sweetness of it, yeah? At least when you feel that kaban, you know you've connected, you've engaged those muscles. Yeah? Again, enjoy the music, enjoy the music. Usiteseke. You're helping yourself, you're being nice to your body. Yeah, now we change directions again. I have to refer to my notes. So now we do the side. Tumesha flap chini, sasa tunaenda mbele. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hey. Now you get why we were stretching the hands, yes? Yeah? And now we start them all over from the top. Sawa? So we start from up, yeah? Kidogo tu. Relax, kidogo. Relax, enjoy the music. Alright. And we are up tena. If you want, you can clench your fists so that you're pushing. It's like you're holding on something, you're trying to pull it together. So that's 2. I'm counting. 3, 4, 5. Remember to breathe. 6, 7. Kiti ama meza karibu na wewe. Don't hurt yourself. So let's go. We're going to kick for 10 each side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and switch. See, it wasn't so hard. It's not a competition. It's only you against yourself. Sawa? Get active, get moving. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Yeah? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? If you feel like it's that too much, you can do 5, 5, 5, 5. Just finish the set of 20. No shortcuts. The more you give, the more you get. Senor. So now, we're going to follow that up with squats. Our beloved squats. So, your legs are going to be shoulder width. So, try and face your feet in front, because when you face your feet outward, you're working this part of your calves. So utakuwa na ziguhembe. So depending on the part you want to work out, for me, I'm going to face my feet in front. So let's go. We're going for 10. Just go as low as you can. If you need to hold on to something, hold on to something. Usianguke tafadhali. 3. Hey. See, pole pole tu. Speed yako. Speed yako tu. 8, 9, and 10. Yeah? That wasn't so bad. Senor. Pole pole tu. Pole pole. I always insist, take a rest if you need to. Usikufe. It's not by force. It's not by force. When you rest, you rest. So I hope you're hydrating. Mimi naenda break, naenda kukunywa maji. I'm going to sip some water, at least to get my muscles at least zikae vizuri. All right. So as you take your break, as you go and take your water, invite your sister, invite your brother, invite your mother, everyone. Send them links, invite them. It's Lolwe TV Fitness. I am Afrofab. Oh my God, I am panting. These things are real. These things are real. Hakuna see gimmicks. Yeah, we're actually doing the exercises for real. So we thank you so much for joining us this day. And as we go on a break, hydrate, invite, link, subscribe to the YouTube pages. Let us know what you think. If you need us to add anything, pale chini tuambie. Our social media handles are running just below your screen. Thank you so much for your feedback, and thank you so much for being with us. Get some water. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's a short water break. We want to going for good, yeah? So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Lolwe TV Fitness. My name is Afrofab from Afrofab Fitness Kenya. Karibuni sana. Tulikuwa tumefika mahali kwa miguu. We were doing squats, ndio? So we finished the squats, but now we'll do a different variation. Ndio? Now we're going to do almost the same thing we were doing. Again, miguu, mbele, ama side, depending on the part that you want to work. But now the twist is we're going to have, yes? Sawa. Hizo ni 2, nimecount. 3. Remember to breathe. 4. Go as low as you can. 5. This is how it looks like from the side. Together. Open. Together. Open. 4. 5. Sawa. I hope you're doing good. Your balance. Sindio? Alright, so now we do knee tucks. Sawa, so we're going to go for 10 on each side. I prefer to begin with my right because I'm right-handed. Just a thing. So whichever side you want to start with is fine with me. As long as you're active, I am happy. Sawa? So this is what we're doing. Alright? Pull, you tuck it in. Alright? Okay, so this one, we'll start together. I still hope you have enough space. Usigonge mwenzako, usimtoe macho tafadhali. You need this partner again tomorrow. Alright, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and switch. Yeah? How was that? Uku? Don't worry, you're doing good. So we switch sides. Left side it is. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you feel like you're losing your balance, you can lean against something so that your stationary leg at least is leaning, is holding onto it. Because for me, my left side is a bit wonky, so ukifanya pande ya left, okay kwangu, mimi nikifanya pande ya left, nasikia ni kama naanguka. So when you're leaning against something, at least to support you, so at least I don't get to lose my balance so much. So try as hard. Don't give up. Don't stop because you almost fell. That's just a twist. It's you just zhuzhing it up. Unaongeza tureko na tuvitu. So yes, bado tunaendelea. So sasa from the kicks. You saw how we did. Now I'm going to begin with my left side. I'll kick with my left side. So remember, get your hands out of the way. So let's go. We're going for 10 kicks each side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, smile. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and switch. Senor, that wasn't so hard. Second time is always a little better because you know what we're doing. Senor, let's go. Yes, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and rest. Mimi, my music. Break ni saa zile unaweza. Just don't stop moving. Ndio inaitwa active rest basically. Hey, as we prepare for the squats. Sindio? Hey, get your space back. Break time imeisha. We're going for 15 now. Now we know what we're doing. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, once you come up, squeeze. Square na haraka. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, kaza kabisa. 9, 10, 5 more. 1, uko karibu kumaliza. 2, 3, zimeisha. 4, and 5. Ingia YouTube utatupata, ingia Facebook utatupata, hata Twitter tuko pale. You can watch back these episodes on YouTube, Lolo TV Fitness Kenya. And yeah, if you missed anything, sweat got into my eye. If you feel like you missed anything or you'd want to play something back, you feel like maybe something was ilikushika and you want to repeat it, feel free. Play back the episodes, send the links to your friends, your family, everyone you want to share this with. Yeah, so next time be sure to join us again. But all in all, we are grateful. Thank you so much for your time, for watching, for tuning in, for inviting whoever you invited, for your comments. See you next time. Have a beautiful day.
Okay.